What is Photoshop? You've probably heard of Photoshop before. Everyone, from designers and meme makers, use it every single day. But do you know what it does? Since it first rolled out, Photoshop has become one of the first names in photo editing and digital creation. Photographers, students, and artists of all types keep honing their creative skills in Photoshop layers till this day. But how can so many types of people use Photoshop so effectively? It really just comes down to how versatile it is. You can do just about anything with the program, from creating awesome posters and paintings, to touching up your vacation pics and making funny photo mashups. Photoshop uses and makes the file type PSD. This file saves your image with support for imaging functions. Basically, your mask and layers will all be there when you go back to the PSD. It's useful in case you want to make changes later, but you can always just save it as a regular old JPEG or PNG file, or another file type you need for sharing online. It's really easy to find resources that can make your Photoshop experience smoother. Pre-made Photoshop brushes, actions, and templates are all great ways to express your creativity. All of these premium assets are available from Envato Elements. That means you're going to get a high-quality piece for your Photoshop projects every time you use your Element subscription. Do you want to learn more about Photoshop and find even more videos like this one? Check out our Photoshop playlist on the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. You can also check the description of this video to find links to Photoshop downloads for Envato Elements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for even more.